Hi, my name is Kchao. I'm in 4th grade at Sope Elementary School. I want to impact my world by telling everyone about one thing. That thing is frogs. You may think, ew, I don't even want to talk about that. I know how you feel. If I didn't know about any of these facts, I wouldn't want to be here right now. I used to think nothing good about frogs, but that all changed. One day, my target teacher, Miss Boucher, showed me a mind-changing video. It was about frogs. It showed me a frog attacked by a deadly fungus called Kchao. It killed that frog and killed many other frogs as well. You may think it's just a frog. It can't cause the world to go into chaos. But let me tell you a few reasons why it can affect this environment. For one, these frogs are beginning to be gold mines. One frog's toxin can block pain better than morphine and isn't addictive. They also keep bug population low, so mosquitoes and other bugs don't invade our yards. Sadly, these beacons of hope are slipping away faster than we can observe. One of the main reasons why are Kchao. It's a deadly fungus that attacks frogs, but scientists are finding ways to prevent it from killing frogs. This may seem striking, but all the other effects and causes are connected to us, humans. We use chemicals that disrupt our ozone layer and cause acid rain. We use pesticides, and when we water them, they drain down to our creeks, lakes, and rivers and oceans that can be harmful to animals in those areas. We litter in lakes, ponds, and oceans and rivers as well. That also can be harmful to the animals in those areas. But we have the ability to change. We can stop our acts and help these frogs. We can return the favor for what these frogs have done. We can be the shining beacon of hope for these frogs. For starters, we can start by throwing away litter and garbage in all areas. You may think, what help could that do? It's only us, a small group of people, against the world. But we can spread the message. We can send it through media and everywhere. Soon, it could be the whole world against the whole world of pollution and trash and litter. We can get this cleaned up. We can fix our wrongs. We can do what's right. And we hope one day that all the trash and litter in the world is thrown away or recycled. Also, if you don't have to, don't take a short car drive. Use a bike, walk, get some exercise. That can help everyone, and that can also help frogs. That also reduces road drive kills of many other animals, not just frogs. Also, we need to solve acid rain and habitat destruction. We can send letters to the government. We don't have to be a small whispering voice nagging in their minds. We can be a loud, strong voice that rings their ears. Habitat destruction and acid rain are causing many species of frogs and other animals to go by. They can't be leaving. They're from our earth. We need to protect them. Think of this. When we dump our trash and no one decides to pick it up, wind and rain sweeps it down to rivers, lakes, and oceans. And when that happens, species of frogs and all animals of all types die. And then, when that happens, bug populations and other insects start to rise. They invade our yards. When that happens, we use chemicals and pesticides to keep them off ourselves and our yards. But when we wash them down the drain, if we don't have a filtration plant, then they go to the creeks, lakes, rivers, and eventually to the ocean, which poisons fish, frogs, and all sorts of animals. This is called the domino effect. It's a chain reaction of never-ending problems. The more it keeps continuing, the more bad things that can happen. But we can fix this. We can look all these issues straight in the eye and say, you don't scare me. We can solve you. One day, all these problems could seriously affect us. So what do you say? Are you ready to lend a hand and save lives? I want to thank my teacher, Miss Boucher, my other teacher, Miss Bentley, my friends, Alex May and Birdie Winston, and especially my mom. She helped me with all of this, and she helped me decide what to do. Thank you for always being there for me. Thank you, everyone.